Jamie, it's your girl Jamie, it's your girl Jamie. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, and if you're new here, hi, my name is JamieNeal Brown. Thank you for clicking on this video. And yeah, as you saw by the title, today we're gonna be doing a top knot tutorial. You feel? My hair is already in a slick back from when I previously did the slick back tutorial. You know, y'all should definitely go watch that. And so yeah, we're just gonna be taking this down and then doing a little top knot. You feel? Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So yeah, also lip gloss from JamieNeal Brown, of course. Definitely go shop when we relaunch. The relaunch date will probably be July 12th. And yeah, y'all should definitely go shop. And yeah, I'm gonna do like first 20 orders get free shipping, something like that. And yeah, like I said, yeah, like, anyways, yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna take that down. Oh snap. This look is definitely a look, but that's for another day. Oh snap, I don't even got my brushes and stuff. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So, you know what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a brush. You might need a comb. Yeah, just brushes and stuff. Might need a little clamp. You probably won't. I don't know why I got that. And you might need a dimming brush, might not. I'm gonna be using a dimming brush because I don't want bumps and stuff, you know, but that's also what the rat's tail comb is for, you know, no bumps. Ow, no bumps. I need to like brush my edges out because we're gonna be doing the fresh edges, you feel? Also, you're gonna need a spray bottle because you cannot brush your hair or comb it while it's dry because it's not good for your hair. And I'm gonna be using this gel right here. I will be using Eco, but I want to save this, so I'm just using this cheap little gel from the beauty supply store. It's half gone. It was $1.99 clearly. I don't know what pre-con gel. It's cheap. It's okay. It's not that bad, but yeah. I just want to save the better gel for later. You feel? So first, I'm gonna start off by spraying my hair. This is definitely a look, yes ma'am. Definitely a look. Nice little bump right there. Okay. Now I'm gonna get my dimming brush. It's definitely a look. It's funny. I need to spray the back. And the sides. Now I'm gonna brush the back because my hair still has the curls in it from when I did the twist out. So I need to brush these curls out because we don't want no bumps in our top knot, you feel? No bumps, no man. By the way, there's a mirror right here that I'm looking at. I didn't want y'all to think that I was just looking into space. Because, you know. By the way, this is not a look. Okay. That's okay. By the way, I'm just putting these up because I don't want, I don't know why. I don't know why I'm putting them up. But, yeah, I just, I don't know why. But, yeah, I just am. this is okay. This is not a top knot. It's gonna be a little puff because you see my hair still has those curls in it, and it's just gonna be a curly puff. That's cute or whatever. Yeah, we're gonna bring it kind of towards the front of my head because I don't like them like. I mean, I like them back here, but I like them better when they're in the front. Okay, so now I'm just spraying my hair some more. Front, back, side, side. You know, now I'm gonna get my gel. And this is not a pretty color. And it's stank. But I'm just gonna put it on my hair. Just put gel on the fronts and the sides of your hair so it can be nice and slick, because we don't want it to be puffy or anything because it's not cute. And to put it up, I'm gonna be using a ponytail holder. Oof. Here is my ponytail holder. Might need more than one, but yeah. So, just gonna brush. Make sure there's no bumps. Y'all look at my waves. I'm swimming, period. Brushing the back too. Make sure there's no bumps on the sides. Okay, now I'm gonna get my hard brush and brush it down so it's nice and slick. Now I'm gonna get my ponytail holder. Get on my hair. Make sure you got all of it. It might hurt too if you want it tight. I like mine tight. Now I'm just going to brush a little more. I'm still gonna be doing my edges. I'm just doing that. But now I'm gonna get me some edge. I don't know why I did that little swoop, because I'm gonna be doing my edges. But I'm gonna brush my little edges down so they can be nice and out the mix for me to do them. There we go. I see a little stray hair right there. Let me see, make sure y'all can see that back. That for you? Bro, is that, nope, that's not even edge. What is you doing? Like, you supposed to be up here. Okay, now I'm gonna start bringing it to the front. Get more gel, put it on the back because it's still not slick You know, you don't have to use a certain amount of gel to use as much as you need or as much as you want. Shit. Now I'm gonna get my dimming brush and brush it again because I feel like there's some bumps back here. Now I'm gonna brush with this again. I'll re-grip it. I accidentally brought my edges up here. This is really tight. Like, it's already hurting my head, and I haven't even put the ponytail holder on it. But don't put it too tight to where it's hurting your head. I'm probably gonna keep mine tight to where it's hurting my head, but you shouldn't put yours that tight because. So when I put it on, I put it into where it's like getting all of the hair in the back, and then I twist it around to where there's no hump in the back. And there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna get more gel and put it back there so it can be nice and slick. Brush it some more. Okay, so that's not how we're gonna leave that. We're gonna do this and make it a bun. You're probably gonna need more than one ponytail holder for this. I might leave that little hair out right there. Okay, now I'm gonna do my edges. Okie dokie. So I'm gonna get the gel and I'm gonna put it on there. Now this gel is not that bad on the edges, but it's the yeah. I'm trying swoops, y'all. I don't really do swoops. Unless I'm doing like a slick back. Okay, no, we're not doing it. No, ma'am. We're gonna go back to waves. I used to always do waves with my edges. So we're gonna start with a nice little split in the middle because it has to be even on both sides, you know. And now I'm gonna get more gel because it kind of dried. Gotta work quick. This gel is trash. Okay, now I'm gonna just start by brushing them to the side. And now I'm gonna bring that down. Maybe I should use the thingy that I used when I did my sleep bag. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna use this, guys, because this was pretty. Okay, first of all, I got too much hair down here. I'm gonna go ahead and put that up there because they just being a distraction to the other hairs. But now you can't even see my edges. Come on now. Bro, what the freak is that? I'm gonna go back to the toothbrush. I'm getting upset. This gel is sticky. I don't like it. I'm just gonna use some Ego, goddamn. Cause this right here. Okay, y'all see that little son. Let's see if we can do the other side. My waves used to be way better than that, but your girl can't even do edges no more. My edges on this side always end up way better than the edges on that side. I don't know why. That doesn't even look the same, fam. Bro, what the freak? Like, yeah, I feel like it looks okay. Yep, it looks okay. I can't really do edges anymore. This gel's trash, so don't buy it. Yeah, so that was it. Top knot tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still at the end of the video, then thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below or text me, DM me, blah, blah, blah. Give me some video ideas, like, yeah, but thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.